Alrighty guys, today is the day we're going to give away some awesome stuff. First and foremost, thank y'all so very much for me to be able to do this contest from the bottom of my heart. I love doing this kind of stuff. Alright, it's time to pick the winner for the knife and tool sharpener. I am going to go to my 50,000 sub giveaway video. We're going to click on TubeBuddy account and I'm going to pick a winner. And the winner of the knife sharpener is Ron S. Ron, you are a awesome new owner of a Worksharp knife sharpener, sir. Alrighty guys, let's give away the Gear Wrench 35-piece micro driver set. This is so exciting. Alright, let's go to the 50,000 sub giveaway video again. TubeBuddy, and we're going to pick a winner. And the winner of the Gear Wrench set is Lou Winkler. He commented and says, "Always great videos." Thank you, sir. "I've never sharpened a pizza cutter." Well, I remember reading that, and I thought that was a pretty cool comment, and I did sharpen a pizza cutter. So Lou Winkler, you are the new owner of the Gear Wrench micro set. Awesome. Alrighty guys, last but not least, I'm going to put a link in the description below with my my Teespring account where I have my t-shirts for sale. You can go on there at any time and buy those. They look really cool, but I'm gonna give one away to a subscriber today. And let's go ahead and we'll redo through the TubeBuddy, and we're gonna pick a winner once again. And the winner of the t-shirt is Jim Knock. Jim, you've been I've seen you comment several times on my videos in the past. I appreciate that, and you get a t-shirt, sir. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description below for that, my Teespring website. And congratulations to everybody that has that entered and all the winners. Head on over to, and I'll put a link in the description to my other channel as well, Life on Fountain Hill. Alrighty guys, congratulations to the 3 winners. I need your information. I need you to email me your addresses, P.O. boxes, whatever it takes for me to get your stuff to you. I need you to email me at lifeonfountainhill@gmail.com. LIFEONFOUNTAINHILL@gmail.com. And we'll get this stuff sent out as soon as possible. Man, this is exciting. I really enjoy reading everyone's comments, and if it wasn't for y'all, I couldn't do this channel at all. And I just appreciate all of my subscribers, whether you won or not. Y'all all have a special place in my heart. So anyway, we'll catch you guys on the next video. And if you want more of this kind of stuff, man, just shoot me a thumbs up, and let's get those subscribers rolling in. Let's get to 100 before the end of the year. What do you say? I think we can do it. Just share away and thumbs up away and subscribe away, and we'll get her done. I promise. So let's go ahead and let's end it right here, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Y'all have a great night. Thanks.